Hi guys, so here with me I have this cordless electric lunchbox for adults. It's rechargeable, auto-heated and holds 1 liter of food. Perfect for work, travel, picnics or even in the car. This was sent to me to try out, so I'm going to share it with you. Right out of the box you get the lunchbox itself, a charging cable and an instruction sheet. It's a nice crisp white color, and to open it you just flip the clips on both sides. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel container that sits on the heating base. That's the only part you'll need to wash. The base doesn't need washing since that's where the charging port is. Now, what makes this lunchbox different is that once it's charged, you do not need to plug it in to warm your food. You just turn the timer and it starts heating. Completely cordless. So just make sure your food is at room temperature for the best results. It'll take about 30 minutes to heat. If it's coming straight from the fridge, it might take up to an hour or more. And it also keeps your food warm for up to 5 hours. So it has this smart timer with 8 customizable timer settings and 4 temperature settings. So you can set your desired meal time and it will automatically heat your food without any waiting. So before you add it to your cart, think about how convenient it will be to enjoy a hot meal anywhere. So whether you're at work, on the go, or out camping.